How to delete all Instagram posts at one time. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Instagram. Click on your profile at the bottom right corner of your screen. Click on three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then you will find settings and activity pop up. In here, click on your activity. After that, in here, you will find post. Click on post. After that, you will find all your posts. Click on select at the top right corner of your screen. After that, simply select all the posts. Make sure there's tick mark in all the posts and then click on delete at the bottom right corner of your screen and then press on delete. After that, all your posts on your Instagram will be deleted at one time. And this is how to delete all Instagram posts at one time. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.